guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Thaliz. I do fashion and beauty videos here on YouTube. So as you did know, and as I always say, my schedule is quite simple. It's each Sundays, but now I am back on Wednesdays. Yes, for a brand new segment here on my channel. It is Beauties Wednesdays. So what Beauty Wednesdays is about is simple. It's makeup, beauty, skincare, everything, being you. Right now we all are in quarantine, and even though we are gonna leave quarantine slowly but surely, most of us are still gonna stay home to work. If you do work on an office, it is advised to still stay home, which is normal. Nobody wanted that. So what I'm gonna do is, this is a simple stay-at-home makeup. I've been seeing a lot of these makeup here on YouTube, and I want to put my spell as a chocolate melanin on it. Beauty Wednesdays is here on my channel, so yes, make sure now to tune in on Wednesdays too, because I miss doing my makeup. Beauty Wednesdays on my channel now, guys. I'm done rambling. Let's get right into this video. So my face is already moisturized. I moisturize my face with Origin. We are gonna use this one. So this is by Nars. Can't you see? Yes. Before I start, I always like to prime my face with MAC strobe. So this is basically not gonna take you a lot of time to do, because we're staying at home. We are not going for a full face of makeup. I love when I do this because we know each other and we always end up with a full face of makeup. The reason that I love strobe, it is like for this, like the glow that it brings you. Une dinguerie. This means craziness in French. So this is Airs by this on Zalando, and I only didn't buy it because it was crystal and you can see through it. It's not because you are not gonna go outside that you do not need to protect your face and prime your face. Like, we don't want more acne, we don't want all of this. Like, we already have enough issues in our life, so we don't need more shit in our life. So yeah, so this is NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop. Do it in a okay, sorry. Okay, so this is NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop. So we are gonna use this because I get oily on my nose. This is where I do put very less makeup. So what I love to do, so this is Benefit Cabra. Put up. Told you my Caribbean side is coming off, so yeah, bear with me. So outer line my brow, just to make sure that, I microbladed my brows. It is to be more easy for me, so I'm just like doing it before that when the foundation, and if the foundation come on it, I just have to like redo. So I like to start the bottom, especially when it is a brand new beauty blender. Let's speed this up. Taking L'Oreal Infaillable Than Concealer. A little bit of this, my trusty BH Cosmetic. Yes, I know, she's old. I have others, but I just love it. It's a good brush. And we are just gonna arch our brows. Arch brows down. While that I'm finishing my brows, this is gonna sit on my face. So in order to finish my brow, we are gonna take back Cabra and just do like the end. I'm staying home, so don't go crazy. Here you go, brows down. Now that the brows are done, we are gonna blend. To highlight, Nars, there we go. So Nars Caramel. So we are gonna use Fenty Espresso. This is finally done, guys. We are gonna use a very old palette, Modern Renaissance, and we are gonna use a raw Senya with burnt orange, and this is gonna be the look, and then mascara, and then we'll be done. And now we are gonna take burnt orange and we are gonna go up, taking this, and we are gonna take Riga mixed with a little bit of rum. Let me just like turn down the light a little bit like that you can see. This is how my eyes are looking right now. This is the eyes. For mascara, we are using Sephora. See the difference? Back to my color. let me put you a little bit of light. There we go. This is better. Let's blend this baby. I'm blending both of them. Bam. See this? Taking my Laura Mercier. I need butter, butter, butter is what I need. Yeah, yeah. Bobbi, you know who she is. She is the only browser that I love. I was thinking about like purchasing the Fenty, but you know. And for the finishing touch, MAC in dark Mineralize Skin Finish. So CHICORY Lip Pencil, and we are gonna add YSL. So I'm not gonna highlight a lot because I'm staying home, so I don't need like a lot of highlight. See, like this is the only highlight I need. The middle one. She's good. She's a creeper. This is the makeup look. And voila, hope that you really did enjoy this video, and do not forget to stay tuned for Sunday. Yeah, Sunday I have a video for you guys. It's gonna be so much fun because your girl boy, clearly I'm a boy now, has been shopping. So stay tuned for this Sunday, you know, for what I'm gonna bring you guys. So yeah, this is my stay at home makeup. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel right now. Make sure you thumbs this video if you are up for Beauties Wednesdays. Don't forget to come back here on my channel Sunday, and of course next Wednesday. So yeah, I will be uploading each week, Wednesdays and Sundays. Yeah guys, thank you. I will stop rabbit. Bye.